Here's some Oakland Commune trivia. Subscribe. What year did the Oakland Commune begin? Is it A, 2011, B, 2009, C, 2013, or D, 2015? The correct answer is A, 2011. What was a primary aim of the Oakland Commune? Is it A, environmental sustainability, B, political reform, C, economic inequality, or D, social justice? The correct answer is C, economic inequality. Which park served as a central location for the commune activities? Is it A, Civic Center, B, Lake Merritt, C, Franco-Gawa Plaza, or D, City Hall? The correct answer is C, Franco-Gawa Plaza. Which social media platform played a significant role in organizing the events? Is it A, LinkedIn, B, TikTok, C, Snapchat, or D, Twitter? The correct answer is D, Twitter. In what year was the Oakland Commune dissolved? Is it A, 2012, B, 2014, C, 2010, or D, 2016? The correct answer is A, 2012. What important social issue did the commune highlight? Is it A, education access, B, racial inequality, C, environmental sustainability, or D, economic development? The correct answer is B, racial inequality. What type of governance structure emerged within the commune? Is it A, consensus-based decision-making, B, dictatorship, C, hierarchical structure, or D, authoritarian rule? The correct answer is A, consensus-based decision-making. What internet platform was essential for coordination among activists? Is it A, TikTok, B, LinkedIn, C, Instagram, or D, Facebook? The correct answer is D, Facebook. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.